In today's video, we're going to be solving equations by combining like terms. In order to do this, we have to first identify what the like terms are and then use the equation solving skills that we've learned previously when we solved one-step equations, two-step equations, so on and so forth. All right, so first thing I'd like to do when we approach these equations is identify the sides of the equation. So what I do is I write a line down the equal sign because I need to know whether the left side and the right side are always going to maintain balance. So whenever I approach these equations, I identify the sides knowing that they always have to equal out at the end. All right, now if I look on the left side, 3x plus 2x are considered like terms. What is a like term? A like term is, in this case, the same variable, a term with the same variable on one side of the equation. So we can combine 3x plus 2x to be 5x equals 20. And then it becomes a one-step equation, right? We divide both sides by 5, and we get our final answer is x equals 4. And that makes sense, right? 3 times 4 plus 2 times 4. We can double check our answers by checking, right? Does that equal 20? Let's see, right? We have 12 plus 8. Yep, that works. That equals 20, right? So identifying the like terms is when you have terms with the same variable. The numbers in front can be different, but they have to have the same variable. All right, let's look at another one. Right here. Okay, again, I'm going to draw a line down the equal sign. This one, again, I'm going to identify the like terms, 3x and positive 2x, right? Those are my like terms. All right, 10 is not a like term because it does not have a letter next to it, and it needs to have an x next to it in order to be like terms with the other ones. So just like the last problem, 3x plus 2x is 5x. Going to bring down the plus 10. And then subtract 10 from both sides, right? Two-step equation here. So I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. And we get 5x is 10, right? 20 minus 10 is 10 because these cancel out, right? And then divide both sides by 5. And we get a final answer of x equals, where am I going to write this? X equals 2, right? Because the 5's cancel here. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. All right, and if I plug this back in, it would check out. Let's do one more. A little bit unique scenario here. All right, make this a little bigger. So with this one, we notice that change things around, all right? The multiple terms are on the right side. So which ones are like terms? We have 5, -7, and -6. So we have 3 different terms, right? This one, and this one. Which of them are like? It's the 5 and the, careful, -6. So I'm actually going to circle the -6 part. No. I'm going to circle the -6 part, right? So I know it's 5 plus -6. 5 plus -6 adds up to -1. Bring down my 20. Bring down the -7x minus 7x. Okay, and then again, I have a two-step equation. So add 1 to both sides, get rid of the constant. We have 21 is, careful, negative 7x, right? Because these eliminate, and don't forget about this negative right here. And then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 7. These cancel. 21 divided by negative 7 is negative 3. That's my final answer. Okay. So when you're going through these equations, again, identify how many terms there are. Identify the sides, right? This one has 3 different terms. Only 2 of them are like terms. If we look back on this equation, right, again, same thing again here. 3 different terms, or 3 terms. 2 of them are the same. And then over here, we have 2 terms, right? And we combine them only when they are like terms, meaning they have the same letter. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and always remember, whether you're solving for X or Y, always give math a try.